Hey Deer Valley, today we are going to look at food labels. I think that food labels or nutrition facts can at first seem a little confusing, maybe even intimidating. But I believe that once we kind of break it down, we can use the information to help us guide our food choices, if we actually have some choice with the foods we eat. So let's start with the serving size, which is arguably the most important piece of information on the label. Serving size not only suggests how much of a food we should eat, it helps us understand how many vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients we can get based on how much we eat. So in this example, the serving size is 1 cup. If I choose to eat 1 cup, all of the nutrition information provided is for that 1 cup. If I choose to eat more or less than the serving size, that's going to change how much of each nutrient I ultimately receive. So, say I choose to eat the entire package of mac and cheese, 2 full servings. This means I have to double all of the amounts listed. So, instead of 250 calories, that becomes 500 calories. 12 grams of total fat becomes 24 grams of total fat. 470 milligrams of sodium becomes 940 milligrams of sodium, and so on. So next, let's look at calories. Calories are the amount of energy provided by a food. This amount can help us know if the item is to be considered kind of a snack or a meal, and typically smaller amounts, less than 200 calories, are a pretty good sized snack. So in this example, the mac and cheese serving is 250 calories. This is pretty much the perfect amount if I were to eat this along with a couple of other foods as a meal. And if I don't really have anything else to eat, I can definitely eat the whole package and end up taking away 500 calories. So this information will basically give us some options, right? So do keep in mind that the amount of food our body needs is based on our age, gender, body size, and activity level. And this means that how much you eat every day can be different. Some days you might feel hungrier than other days, and that is perfectly normal. So next we want to look at the different nutrients the food provides. Some nutrients, like saturated fats, trans fats, sodium, and added sugars, are those foods that we want to limit when possible. And then there's some nutrients, like vitamins and minerals and fiber, that we definitely want to make sure we're getting enough of every single day. So each food label lists the nutrients that are provided and the amount per serving. If you look at the right-hand side, you also see percentages, and these percentages are the percent daily value, which helps us to understand how much of a nutrient we are eating. And it also lets us know how much more we must eat throughout the day to satisfy our body's needs. So we're going to actually focus on the percent daily value in the next video. So I hope that this video helped to give you just a basic understanding of the information provided by a food label. If you have any questions about food labels or anything else related to nutrition and health, please feel free to ask. Thanks. Have a great day.